Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss gas law, Charles' law. Okay, so let's start with the formula. So, Charles' law, meron na tayong ditong volume and temperature. So, formula natin ay V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Yung V1 ito yung original volume. Ang V2 naman, that will be the resulting volume. T1 is the original temperature and T2 will be the resulting temperature. Okay, next one. Take note, ang temperature must be in Kelvin for all gas laws. So kung magsasolve kayo, lagi niyo siyang gawing Kelvin. Mapa-Celsius man siya or Fahrenheit, gawin mo siyang Kelvin. So kung naka-Celsius siya, mag-add ka lang ng 273.15. Kapag Fahrenheit naman, mag-add ka ng 459.67. Tapos dun mo siya i-multiply sa 5 at yung sagot, divide mo ng 9. So let's start with the first problem. Given mo ay 500 ml of a gas at 18 degrees Celsius. What is its volume at 10 degrees Celsius? Okay, first one, lagay mo lahat yung given. Ang V1 natin dito ay 500 ml kasi ito yung original. So, hinahanap dito yung V2. Lagay ko na siya sa as X. T1, ito yung temperature, yung original temperature, that will be 18 degrees Celsius. At magiging 10 degrees Celsius now. So, that will be T2. So, color-coded naman siya to guide you. Ngayon, lagyan natin yung formula. So, we have V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. And let's substitute yung sa formula. So we have 500 over mo ng 291.15 is equal to X over 283.15. Okay, sir, saan nang galing yung 291.15 at 283.15? Remember, ang given mo ay naka-Celsius. Kapag magsasolve ka dito, dapat naka-Kelvin muna. Okay? So, kaya siya naging 291.15 and 283.15. Next, pwede nyo siyang i-cross-multiply para mahanap natin yung value ni X. So, multiply mo yung 500 sa 283.15. At yung sagot niyan, divide mo sa 291.15. And you will get the final answer of 486.26. That will be the new volume, the new V2. Okay, let's move to problem number 2. A gas occupies 5 liters at standard temperature. What is the volume at 333.0 or 333 degrees Celsius? Okay, so na ba yung standard temperature? The standard temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius or 273.15 Kelvin. So, lagay ko na yung given. So, color-coded naman siya. So, yung 333, magdagdag ka ng 273.15 para maging Kelvin. So, that will be 5 over mo ng 273.15 is equal to X over mo ng 606.15. Ngayon, mahanap na natin yung value ni X by cross-multiply. So, that will be 5 multiply mo sa 606.15. Yung sagot niyan, i-divide mo sa 273.15 and you will get an answer of 11.096. So the new volume is 11.096 liters. Moving on, let's go to problem number 3. What change in volume results if 60 ml of gas is cooled from 33 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius? Take note, ang hinahanap dito is change in volume, hindi yung bagong volume. So we need to find first yung resulting volume. So let's start. Given. So, ang Celsius gawin mo Kelvin. That will be 33 magiging 306.15. Ang 5 degrees Celsius magiging 278.15 Kelvin. Okay. Next, lagay mo yung formula. And after that, you have to substitute the values. So that will be 60 over 306.15 is equal to x over 278.15. So to find the value of x, you just going to cross multiply. 60 multiply mo sa 278.15. Yung sagot niyan, i-divide mo sa 306.15. So the final answer, ni-round up ko na rin siya. That will be 54.51. However, inahanap dito kasi change in volume. So, gawin mo lang yung original volume, kunin mo yung absolute value nila. 60 minus 54.51 and you will get an answer of 5.49. So, 5.49 ml is the change in volume. Ito yung pinakasagot dito sa problem number 3. Okay, let's go to number 4. Calculate the decrease in temperature in Celsius when 8 liters at 25 degrees Celsius is compressed to 4 liters. So, lagay mo yung given. Okay, color-coded naman siya. Hinahanap natin dito yung resulting temperature. Muna, napin muna natin yung resulting temperature. But yung pinakadulo, ang pinaka-final answer dapat natin makita is yung decrease in temperature. Okay? So, we'll get to that. Okay, so lagay mo yung formula at i-substitute natin yung mga values. So, that will be 8 over 298.15 is equal to 4 over x. Okay? So, to find the value of x, i-cross multiply mo lang. So, that will be 8x is equal to 1,192.6. And divide both sides by 8, and that will be 149.075 Kelvin. Okay, nahanap na natin yung resulting temperature. However, we need to find the decrease in temperature in Celsius. So, paano natin gagawin yun, sir? So, gawin mo muna siyang Celsius, yung 149.075 Kelvin. Bawasan mo ng 273.15 and you will get negative 124.075. So, Celsius na yan. Ngayon, hanapin natin yung absolute value, yung difference, yung layo ng negative 124.075 sa 25 degrees. So, kukunin natin yung absolute value and you will arrive at 149.075 degrees Celsius. Yung layo ng 25 sa number line papunta sa negative 124.075 ay 149.075. So, final answer natin dito, 149.075 degrees Celsius is the decrease in temperature. Let's move to number 5. Final problem. When the volume of a gas is changed from blank ml to 852 ml, change from 315 degrees Celsius to 452 degrees Celsius. Ngayon, what is the starting volume? So, same, lagay mo yung given. And lagay natin yung formula. And the next step is substitute the values. So, we have x, divide mo ng 588.15 is equal to 852 over mo ng 725.15. Ngayon, i-multiply mo na siya or cross-multiply. X is equal to 852. Multiply mo siya sa 588.15. At yung sagot niyan, divide mo ng 725.15 and you will get an answer of 691.035 ml. And that is the final answer. Ito yung starting volume natin, 691.035 ml. And that's the end of the lesson about Charles' law. Yung ibang gas law nasa description box. Kindly check the links below. And if you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, or kung may assignment kayo or may tanong kayo dun mismo, dito mismo sa video na to, kindly comment down below. And this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification para updated kayo sa bagong videos ng math and language. Thank you. Goodbye.